it's me, Teacher Lisa again. Today I'm gonna bring you the very fun model, which is the dump truck. Okay, so dump truck, that you can know it is vehicle, looks like a lorry, but with the dump bed at the back that can be raised up. So it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna start with the body. We're gonna take the 1x12 and the 1x8. Okay, 12 means one row with the 12 studs. Take the 1x8, stack them together like this. We need 2 sets, right? Remember, we have 2 sides. We have 2 sides of the body, so we need 2 sets like this to put it on. So we're gonna start with the mechanism inside the dump truck, right? So we will need one 24 tooth gear with one blue pin, right? We're gonna put it this side. Okay, this side, the blue pin, we're gonna put it in the middle. Okay, in the middle of the 1x12, that you can see 5 holes from the left and 5 holes from the right. Then we're gonna put it in to the 24 tooth gear. 24 tooth gear. Remember, that is axle pin, so you need to put it into the middle of the 24 tooth gear. Okay, so for parents who is guiding the young children for the first time, children usually sometimes they're gonna put it something like this. This is not the right way. Make sure they put it into the middle so it is fit correctly. So we're gonna leave it like this. We're gonna leave it like this, and then we're gonna make the bed now, the dump bed. All right, we're gonna make the dump bed. We're gonna start with one piece of 1x2, 1x4. Put it this way, join them together. Do it on the table, right? And then we're gonna put one 2x8 plate on top of it, like this. Make sure it's still in place. We need to put 2 double up, and then left and right like this. Okay, so fit nicely this way, right? Okay, and then we will need 2 of our non-friction pin. Non-friction pin, what does it mean by non-friction pin? Is the pin will be in gray color. When you press it in, you're gonna feel you can feel or hear the click sound, and it is smoothly. You can turn the pin. So with the other side, so left and right, one at each side, one at each side. All right, one at each side, right? So make sure the dump truck has one way for our things to go down from the bed, right? So this is usually where children can make the mistake. You put the 1x2 here. Okay, make sure they are opposite side from the pin. All right, put it this way, and then we will put the 1x8 at the side. All right, check the bed, right? Because this is the pivot place going up, so this will be our things to come down from the dump truck. It should work this way, right? When we are done with the bed here, we're gonna attach it to the body. We're gonna attach it to the body. All right. Okay, attach it to the top corner hole this way, this side. Okay, the top corner hole here. Press it in, see? Press it in. Again, you're gonna hear the click sound. Make sure it fits. All right, do it. Okay, no, we don't cover it yet. We're gonna need this side. All right, you see that it's not connected yet. So how are we gonna connect them? We will need this connector, right? And the axle number 3. Axle number 3. Put it this way. Make sure they are facing the same side, all right? And then we're gonna take two non-friction pin, put them in, fit all the way in. No halfway, no like this, all the way in. All right, so when it's done, we're gonna see these two pins are ready to hook on something. All right, so it's round hole, got a round pin going into the round hole. So we are going to put into here, look, there is one hole here where we need to connect with this part, with the major part here. Put it in and then hook it on into one of the holes that you can reach within the 24 tooth gear. All right, 24 tooth gear. So now you can see, okay, you can try if the mechanism is working by turning the gear over here. Do not pull this part, okay? If you pull, the connection there we're gonna disconnect, okay? So try it this way, so it works, okay? It works very well here. All right, so we need to connect it from we don't operate it like this, right? Because we need to operate from outside here. So how are we going to connect from here, right? We will need one axle 6, right? When our 8 tooth gear here, put it in slightly this way, slightly this distance, all right, with one side slightly longer, the other side shorter, right? We need to put this axle into this gear. Make sure the small gear and the big gear here, they are engaged, all right? Engage means they are touching each other. All right, so now instead, just now we turn this 24 tooth gear, now we try to turn this axle pin number 6. You're gonna see the mechanism is working. All right, the mechanism is working here. Okay, don't press so hard there. Right, we will need to put in another bushing, put it in here. Why we need to put a bushing there? We need to make a gap, okay, to secure the 8 tooth gear there. Right now we are ready to put it in the other side. Put in the other side to cover, so our inner part of our dump truck, the mechanism is done. All right. So again, the pin, we need to put it into the first hole here. Put it into the first hole. Okay, put it back, and then go into the. Should fit everything. Okay, should fit, huh? Okay, press. So now they are fit nicely here. Okay, so what I would like to do here is, okay, you can see this is a bit wobbly. What are we going to do? We will put the 1x4 plates, 2 at the front. Okay, make sure there is a gap in between here. Okay, make sure there is a gap, one stud gap here. I'm going to tell you why we need to leave a gap there. All right, many children, they will tend to put it just beside the part here, yeah. All right, after we put the 2 pieces of the 1x4, we will now need to put in the seat. All right, the seat, put it on this plate. Put it on this plate. All right, if you can see clearly, this is a tips. If you can see clearly the seat or the chair, right, it actually goes slightly beyond the line. Okay, it goes slightly beyond the line. That is why you cannot put it directly touching the other brick, right? So it's kind of secure here. We're gonna put one at the front here, and now what I want to do here is I am going to make the steering for our dump truck. Okay, the steering for our dump truck, I'm going to use the 1x2 round hole with this non-friction pin. We need the steering to turn, right? So we need to use a non-friction pin, which is a tan color. Do not use the blue. All right, and then I use this half bevel gear, right? Because our dump truck is very small, right? So we only need a very small steering over here, right? And it looks like our steering. To put it up here, to put it right in front of the seat there, So our dump truck is basically almost done. What is missing, of course, is our wheel. So put it in the O-ring. Put in the O-ring, right? This one needs to be done both hands, with both of the hand, touch, like this. Put in axle, slightly like this, not too much, all right, because we need to accommodate for two sides. We need to make 2 pairs for 4 wheels. Do it this way. Put it in the last holes, all the way in there. Use the other wheel to secure it. Okay, press it in. Okay, over here, do not press too hard. Okay, not press too hard that causing the wheel cannot turn. Yeah, right. So this one you can put it either to the we need to the front part, right, and then do it from the other side. Okay, right. There you go. Right, our dump truck can move left, front and back. The steering wheel is working. Okay, what do we do with these 2 parts? This is actually over here. You can secure the part there, and then I'm using this connector to put it into one of this side. You can put it either left or right side, depends on your preference how you want to operate the dump bed. Okay, so this is just to extend so that you can, it's easily for you to hold to turn it, right? There you go, something like that. Should make 1 turn. Ta-da! Then now our dump truck is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe
and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload new videos.